Welcome back to Dawn's English Podcast. Today, Jay and I are chatting about something many of us try to do but find challenging: learning a new skill or improving at something. Hey, Jay.
Hey, Dawn. Yeah, totally relatable. Lately, I've been thinking about learning to cook. Really go beyond instant noodles, you know?
Oh, that's a great goal. Why cooking?
Well, it feels like a useful skill. And honestly, I'm tired of eating out all the time. But it's tough. I've just been so busy working lately. By the time I get home, the last thing I want to do is spend an hour in the kitchen.
I know exactly what you mean. Life gets so hectic. I feel like I'm constantly busy recording podcasts or dealing with planning for the office move. Finding time for anything extra feels impossible sometimes.
Exactly. And even when I do try, I can't seem to follow the recipes correctly. Things burn or they just don't taste right. It's frustrating. I watch cooking videos and they make it look so easy.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Learning takes time. I remember when I was trying to learn Spanish, I couldn't seem to remember new vocabulary no matter how much I studied. It felt like my brain just wouldn't hold on to the words.
See, it's not just me then. It feels like a mental block sometimes. But despite the frustration, I still really want to get better at cooking. I imagine inviting friends over and making them a nice meal. That keeps me motivated.
That's the key. Focusing on the reason why you want to get better at it. Whether it's cooking, a language, or even a hobby like building Lego, having that end goal makes the struggle worthwhile.
Right. So even if I can't seem to make a perfect dish yet, or I'm still mostly busy working, I need to remember why I started. Small steps, I guess. Maybe just try one new recipe a week?
Exactly. Don't aim for perfection from day one. Just try to fit it in where you can, even for a short time. You're busy, I'm busy. We're all busy. But little by little, you can make progress. You just got to stick with it.
Thanks, Dawn. Hearing you say that helps. Maybe I'll try cooking something simple this weekend.
Do it! And let me know how it goes. Sometimes just talking about these things gives you that little push.
It does. All right, I feel inspired now.
Perfect vibe to dive deeper. Let's wrap up this part.
Sounds good.
Stay tuned.